Um, so this is something a little different. So to solve these equations, one thing that we're going to have to do, basically, I still want to do x equals some stuff, and we're going to get stuff to the other side, but now we're adding two things. One is we're going to distribute, right? So the first thing I'm going to do in these two problems is distribute. I'll abbreviate that. Then we're going to combine like terms. And then we do the inverse. So we're changing it up a little today. So I'm going to distribute this 7 through the parentheses. What's 7 times 3? 21, right? What's 7 times x? Oh, you know what? It's a negative x. So what should it be? Negative 7x, right? I forgot about that. And then this just stays negative 21. I want to get x by itself. I look for combined like terms. This is always on the same side when we talk about combining like terms. Well, sometimes they're on the other side, but most of the time you're going to be on the same side. So over here, I just have a number. That's a constant, negative 21. Over here, I have a constant of positive 21, and then I have a variable of negative 7x. So there's really no terms to combine. So I'm just going to, what do I move first, the 21 or the negative 7? The 21, right? Because the number in front of the variable, this is always the last step, right? Whatever number is in front of the variable, that's always the last step. So I'm going to subtract 21, because this is the 21 I want to move. I'm going to subtract it from the positive 21, because that's a positive 21, right? And whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. So these cancel. In other words, 21 minus 21 is 0. 0 plus negative 7x is just negative 7x, right? And then what's negative 21 minus 21? Negative 42. Cool. So now I've got a negative 7 times x over here. How do I move the negative 7 away? Divide. I've got to divide by negative 7, though. I can't forget that negative sign. It's important. So what is negative 42 divided by negative 7? I heard negative 6. I heard positive 6. Which is it? It's positive 6, right? A negative divided by a negative is a positive. Negative 7 divided by negative 7, that equals 1. 1 times x is just x. So that's that one. We're going to crank through this next one. What's negative 3 times 8? Yep, negative 24. What's negative 3 times negative 4x? Is it negative or positive? It's positive 12x, right? Equals 12. Again, the 12 is the last thing, so I'm going to add 24 to both sides, because that's the inverse of minus 24. These cancel. I get 12x is equal to 36. Divide by 12. And I get x equals, is that 3? 36 divided by 12 is 3. Okay, I'll leave that up there for just a second so you guys can see it. Finish writing it down. We only have 2 examples, not 2. We have 3 examples today, so that's the second one. So we just have one more to go.